I know you'll be seeing so many hair, healthy hair, and you'll be like, oh my God, I wish my hair can be like this. I want my hair to be like this. Baby girl, your hair can be like that if you put in the effort, the time, the sacrifice that others put in keeping their hair healthy, long, everything it takes to keep your hair looking good. If you can be able to do that, then you are good to go. Taking care of natural hair is never an easy one. That I can tell you for free. Do not be deceived. Your time, your effort, your money, your energy will go into taking care of your hair. If you really want to, stand out as a people who have good natural hair, you have to put in the effort. Like, you have to put in the work. If not, you will still keep complaining that I don't have a good hair. I want my hair to be like this. I want my hair to be like that. So do well to have the time and the effort. And the truth is that I have really come a long way with my natural hair, and I am so proud of myself. I am so proud of what I have been doing and still doing. I am never going back, honestly. And I did a very big mistake by, relaxing my hair, though the relaxer didn't really relax my hair like that, I guess, but I still regret doing that. Honestly, I am never applying that shit on my hair again. At this point, I just want to say sorry to my hair for doing that nonsense to you. I am so sorry, my love. Please pardon me. So you guys, if you want to have a good healthy hair just like me or like others, or if you want to grow your natural hair faster and protect it at the same time, I made a simple 4-week guide just for you. It includes easy hairstyles, weekly routine, and tips that actually work. Click the link in the description to grab your copy and start seeing results this week. Thank you.
Whose hair is this? Is this my hair? This can't be my hair. This cannot be my hair. Oh. The amount of hair I'm losing is what is annoying me. Mm-mm-mm. Okay.
God has his way of doing things.
You're done brushing.
I might not have a healthy relationship, but guess what? I have a healthy hair. Somebody clock it. At least my hair is healthier than some people's relationship. Anyway, I don't mean that. Sorry. But I'm saying the truth. And I've been, discovering back my way back hairstyle, and I'm loving it. Simple, nothing too much. Just simple. Somebody clock it. Whatever thing that is wrong with me, I like it. Well, I'm done. And my hair is giving, is looking beautiful, yummy, and take away. So you guys try and have a healthy hair if you don't have a healthy relationship, okay? Bye.
Hey, my loves, how are you all doing? Hope you're all are good because me, I am good. Let quick make a low bun with cornrows. You guys, I am hard dye fan of slick hairstyle, no caping. Fast styling under 3 minutes. Keeping your ends tucked and protected. Great for school, work, or everyday wear. Quick protective low bun with cornrows. Natural hair 3 minutes. For best results, lightly stretch your hair first banding or twist. And use a leave-in plus gel combo for smooth braids and a neat bun. Tips on how to maintain a healthy hair. Maintaining healthy natural hair is all about moisture, gentle care, and consistency. Here's a practical guide you can actually follow. 1. Keep your hair moisturized. Natural hair tends to be dry, so moisture is everything. Use the LOC or LCO method. Liquid gives oil, gives cream. Spray water or a leave-in conditioner regularly. Seal moisture with oils like coconut, olive, or shea butter. Deep condition at least once a week. 2. Wash your hair properly but not too often. Clean hair grows better, but overwashing dries it out. Wash every 1 to 2 weeks. Use sulfate-free shampoo. Try co-washing conditioner, wash in between. Always follow with a conditioner. 3. Detangle gently. Rough handling equals breakage. Detangle when hair is damp and conditioned. Use your fingers or a wide-tooth comb. Work in sections from ends, gives roots. 4. Trim regularly. Split ends travel upward if ignored. Trim every 8 to 12 weeks. Keeps hair looking fuller and healthier. 5. Protect your hair day and night. Less manipulation equals more growth retention. Try protective styles, braids, twists, cornrows. Sleep with a satin bonnet or silk scarf. Avoid tight styles that pull your edges. 6. Be gentle and patient. Healthy hair doesn't happen overnight. Avoid excessive heat, flat irons, blow dryers. Limit harsh chemicals. Be consistent with your routine. Listen to your hair, adjust what doesn't work. 7. Don't forget your diet. Your hair health starts inside. Drink plenty of water. Eat foods rich in biotin, protein and iron, eggs, beans, leafy greens. Quick, simple routine, beginner friendly. Weekly wash plus deep condition. Daily every 2 days, moisturize plus seal. Nightly satin bonnet. Monthly trim if needed. If you want to grow your natural hair faster and protect it at the same time, I made a simple 4-week guide just for you. It includes easy hairstyles, weekly routines, and tips that actually work. Click the link in the description to grab your copy and start seeing results this week.
Adulthood will make you to lose friends, and friends will lose you. That is one major thing I don't like about adulthood. Sometimes I feel so lonely, reason because I miss my friends. I don't even know if they miss me same way I miss them, but I do miss them. I do check on them, but at some point I realized I was just the one doing that. Like, there's nothing wrong with you checking on your friends. It takes you nothing. We all should normalize checking on our friends. Like, just hi, how are you doing? Hope you are good. How is family for the ones that are married and even for the single ones? Like, normalize checking on your friends. It takes nothing. Okay? Things are not really going well, like not like well easy for anybody, right? So normalize checking up on your friends. It takes nothing, just a text, or if you can call just for like minutes or even some seconds. It doesn't take much time. Anyways, guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine. So, I'm making a boho bread. Don't let me bore you with my talk, but I had to like take that off my chest. You guys are my love, right? So I need to tell you guys how I feel. Yeah, that is why you guys are my love. So if you want to see the longer version of this video, please check my channel for the longer version of it. And you guys, I love how this hair turned out, just as simple as I wanted it to be. I made it with human hair kinky, which made the hair to look more beautiful and natural. Yeah, that is all that happened in this video. And like I said, guys, learn to check up on your friend or your friends or even your family. It takes nothing. Okay, remember that family is not just by blood, it's about who you call your family and who you see as family. So always check up on them. Life is too short. Bye.
This hairstyle right here is one of my favorite hairstyles. You know, when you make hairstyle that understands the assignment. I am a baby girl. I'm making a hairstyle that makes you look exactly like that is one of my to-go hairstyle. Just like slick back. Slick back makes me look younger than my age. It makes me look under 20. Yeah, early 20s. But you guys, I'm in my early 40s. If you like, go argue. Don't argue about that, okay? And like I was saying, this hairstyle is one of my best. But it's not easy to make anyway. It took a lot of time. Thank you. And here is the final result. I look so beautiful, so gorgeous. Whose baby is this again? Anyway, then tell me I go fit take mban. Yeah. So would you be trying out these hairstyles? Bye.